using an ad agency to run your ads for your book when you know nothing about ads? Yeah, sounds pretty dumb, right? Because it is. There's not a faster way for you to burn through money than to hire an ad agency to run ads to your Amazon book when you have no clue how to run ads yourself. Look, ad agencies are great. They have a time and a place, but you have to learn how to run ads first, because the ad agency's job isn't to make sure your book succeeds. As weird as that sounds, like, it obviously helps them, but if your book isn't proven to convert on a listing because your cover's not good enough, or because you chose a crappy topic, or your description is just not good, there's so many other things that can go wrong. It's not their job. It's not their duty to ensure that you have your shit together and you've created a great book with a great listing and you want to run ads to it. It's their job to take your money and to run ads to your book to try to get it to convert. But your book has to be good enough to convert. And if you can't make ads work yourself, your book isn't good enough to convert, or your skill level isn't good enough. But so either one has to be improved. Either your book has to be better, or your skill level at running ads has to be better. And if you're like, Emeka, I don't want to spend time running ads, I get you. I 100% get you. But what you do have to do is you have to learn how to run ads profitably. And just 1 month, that's it. You just have to run ads at a profit for 1 month, and then you can pass them off to an agency forever. Because as long as you know, hey, I know my book will make money with ads because I've seen it myself and I've ran ads, and my book does make money with ads. As long as you know that, you will have a fair baseline to judge any agency that you use to run ads for your book in the future. But if you have no clue how to run ads, you have no clue how much money you're gonna lose with the agency, and it's gonna be a shit ton. So don't try to take the easy way out. And because ads are hard and scary, okay? Big boy pants, big girl pants. We have to learn how to run ads, and then you can pass them off to an agency to run your ads. That's okay.